Good day, Doctor. We are from Group D and we will be presenting our project, which is Smart Greenhouse Monitoring System. Based on our research, the traditional greenhouse management is lack of real-time insights and relies heavily on manual labor. Therefore, our motivation for developing this smart greenhouse monitoring IoT system is to improve the current agriculture practices by using modern technologies for better crop yield. By implementing the Internet of Things technology, we aim to create a system that optimizes resource usage, enhances plant care, and ensures a controlled environment for optimal plant growth. Next, we will present our hardware.
Hello everyone, this is the design and implementation of our group IoT system, which is a mini smart greenhouse monitoring system. The system consists of the sensor module, DHT22, and soil moisture sensor, the actuator module, fan motor, and also LED module, and a microcontroller. These modules are used to capture critical environmental data such as temperature, humidity, and soil moisture level to regulate the greenhouse condition and provide visual alert for optimal plant growth. The choice of the Arduino Cytomaker Feather Kit as the microcontroller is based on its capability to execute program code and manage sensor and actuator interaction. The IoT connectivity was established through a Wi-Fi module, ensuring wireless communication with cloud platform. For remote monitoring and control, the V1 platform is selected due to its feature for storing and managing real-time sensor data.
So when the soil moisture level is less than 30%, the LED light will light up, and when we put this sensor inside, the LED light will be turned off because the soil moisture level is more than 30%. And for the fan motor, it will be turned on when it is more than 30 Celsius degree from the environment, and if it is less than 30 degrees Celsius, it will turn off. Next, we will present on how we have implemented V1 platform into our project. First of all, we will start with the dashboard. And as we can see, the total average of humidity and temperature is displayed in front of the dashboard, as it is used to provide a quick and concise summary of the central tendency of the real-time data collected by the sensors. For example, the user can easily know the humidity of the greenhouse is about 54% and the temperature is about 30 degrees Celsius. Besides that, the graphical representations below are used to visually represent patterns and trends in the data and provide side-by-side comparisons of multiple variables, making the user to understand the relationship and spot correlations between parameters easily. This is the monitoring dashboard of our project, and we will start with the section here where it shows the collected real-time data from the sensors, which consists of DHT22 and soil moisture sensors. Besides that, below shows three graphs, which are temperature, humidity, and soil moisture level, which allows the user to view the trends of the data collected in a specific period, and the user also can interact with the graph by just clicking on the graph. In order to handle events that, like the data collected by the sensor is lower or higher than the defined threshold, a trigger event will be created in order to handle this type of events. So in this trigger event, we have input the soil moisture level and written a Python script to handle it, and if the moisture level is lower than the predefined level, which is about 30%, an email will be emailed to the owner to notify them to take action. In order to build a machine learning model that will predict the soil moisture level, first of all, we will start with inputting the data collected by the sensors, and next we will carry out some data cleaning, and finally the data will be inputted into the training model. Next, we will input the data collected by the sensors, and we will retrieve the model based on the model built previously, and the predictions will be done based on the model built just now, and the model used is decision tree because it has the highest accuracy, and these are the results predicted by the model. That's all of the presentation from our group. Thank you.